Hey, thanks for tuning in to Randy Hikes in Nature. We're hiking. So I believe this is called Burrell's Ford. It's off of Highway 107 in Oconee County, South Carolina. And it runs along a river. And there are several waterfalls down here. I'm not sure which ones we're going to go to. Honestly, I can tell you, my GPS in my vehicle doesn't work up here. My phone doesn't work up here. My map skills don't work up here. It's just a comedy of errors. This drive here. Oh my gosh. Anyway, hope you enjoy it. Be nice, Jenny. Hey, maybe we can skip some rocks. This is all fun going downhill, but uphill, oh my gosh. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah. I could take my t-shirt or my t-shirt off and you could use it as a scarf. Yeah. Look how pretty it is. These shoes? Really? Oh, you wore my shoes? Are they too big? Good. I love them too. It's a Skechers. You know, these hiking boots, those I can tell you, be careful because on the wet stuff, those slip. Okay? These don't slide though at all. These are the Skechers hikers, and I want to go get another pair. You should get what I got here, Sophie. These are just awesome, and these don't have any soles in them even anymore, but they're still comfortable. You're jealous of the stick now, aren't you? Oh, look, another toilet. Oh, this is probably the campground. Because it said they had...
Wait, are we even going up?
Should we go there, or...
Is this even pretty small?
I don't know. Let's check this out. No, I'm talking about these little buildings. I have no idea. Probably not. Okay, that's it. He's gonna skip a rock. Burrell's Ford. I'm gonna go here. Don't worry about the bears. Seriously. You see poop? Uh-oh. Good.
Ready? I'm not low enough, but it's okay. I ain't go.